In this BDRSuite How-to Series video, I'll show you how to add a PostgreSQL server running on Windows as a data source for backup. Let's get started. First, open the BDRSuite Backup Server console. The video link in the description provides details on installing and setting up the backup server. Enter username, password, and click Sign In. Click on the Applications and DBs menu. Navigate to the Data Sources PostgreSQL Database Server menu. You can add both Windows and Linux servers running PostgreSQL. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Windows server running PostgreSQL database. You can check the link in the description for adding a Linux server running the PostgreSQL database. Following that, click on the Add PostgreSQL Database Server button. Choose the option Manual Agent Installation. This is the default and recommended installation method for adding a PostgreSQL server to BDRSuite. In the manual method, you'll need to install Backup Agent on each server you plan to backup databases from. BDRSuite Backup Agent is a mandatory component for PostgreSQL database backups. It operates on port 32004, so ensure your firewall rules allow this port. Click the Download button to get the Backup Agent. You can find the Backup Agent installer file as BDRSuite Delegation Service. Right-click on the installer and click Install. Then, click Run to proceed. You'll see the welcome screen. Click Next to continue the installation. Then, read the agreement and choose I accept. Click Next. By default, the display name is the machine name, which you can use to identify this host on the backup server. You can change it if you prefer. Next, enter the backup server's DNS name or IP address. Once the backup agent is installed, it will automatically connect to the backup server using these details. Click Next. Choose the backup component, PostgreSQL Backup, and click Next. Provide the PostgreSQL database details, such as username, password, PostgreSQL executable path, and dump path. Click Next. Review the configuration and click Install. Backup agent components are now being installed. This might take a few minutes. Let us wait for the installation to complete. Backup agent is now successfully installed on your target machine. Click Finish to start the BDRSuite services. Then, Backup Agent will automatically connect to the backup server using the IP address or DNS name provided during installation. This may take a few minutes. Meanwhile, you can verify and manage the Backup Agent from the Tray or Services panel on your Windows machine. Backup Agent will run as BDRSuite Delegation Service. Once the Backup Agent starts running and establishes connection to the backup server, the PostgreSQL Database Server will be successfully listed as a data source. You can identify the host using its IP address or the display name you configured and manage the host from here. You can now configure backup for PostgreSQL databases. Navigate to the Backup, Configure Backup menu and click on PostgreSQL Database. For a detailed video on how to backup and restore PostgreSQL databases, check the link in the description. Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your free trial, and if you need any assistance, contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.